Hello, this is David from the Credit Repairman, and today we're going to be talking about essentially good money that your credit never sees. And it's one of the key features of most credit repairs that we try to build that payment history up, and things like rent, things like utilities don't actually do that. You'll be sold by some company or some business about essentially how to how we can include rent in your credit score. Now, that's not necessarily false. But it is important to understand that usually when you look at those companies, look at those businesses that try to make sure that your rent is factored into your payment history to improve your credit, the problem with that is, well, they're only reporting to one bureau, and your FICO score is ultimately determined by three key bureaus. Of course, TransUnion, Experian, and sadly, Equifax. Point being that your FICO score depends on all three of those bureaus because they all give FICO different sets of information. So it's really important to watch out for those things. If you click the link to the blog, you'll also find out a little bit more about the things that you might not expect that possibly affect your credit score. And consider that China, for example, your social network, your literal social network, actually can boost your credit score in China. So the other thing, the other final takeaway is that regardless, keep in mind that no matter what FICO does, no matter how many times they update their algorithm, right? Not all lenders have to adopt the new algorithms. So if you think any of this information is potentially interesting, please click the link to the blog, like us on Facebook or follow us on Twitter, and we will keep the content coming.